In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can make your video from looking like this to this. And I'm using a $200 camera with 25 bucks lighting and 10 bucks microphone. Coming up. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is fix the audio. So as you can see, or you can hear, I have fan right here because this room doesn't have aircon. So you probably hear a lot of ambient noise from this room. So to fix the audio, I'm gonna be using this microphone from Boya. But wait. Why do you need a microphone when you can use the AI audio enhancer? So to answer that,
this is the audio using the internal mic with Adobe Audio Enhancer. Mic test 1, 2, 3. Mic test 1, 2, 3.
And how about this one? Mic check 1, 2, 3. Mic check 1, 2, 3. What do you think? So the idea of the setup is to place the mic as close as possible to the audio source. In this case, it is my mouth. Now to create the separation between the subject and the background, I need a lens with wide aperture. Most of the kit lens maximum aperture is f3.5 or even at f4. So to fix it, I'm gonna be using this lens from 7 Artisans that can go up to f0.95. Now with the aperture wide open, I can bring down my ISO to the native ISO. That way I can reduce the digital noise on the video. In this case, for this camera, the native ISO is 100, which is the lowest ISO value that this camera can go. Next up, I'm gonna be fixing the light direction to make the shot looks more cinematic. Right now, I'm using the room lighting. So to fix it, I'm gonna be using this light from Philips. It's a 45 watt LED light. And to make the light softer, I'm gonna be bouncing it using an umbrella that has a white shade in it. Now, I have my key light right here, and probably as you can see, I'm a little bit too blue. So to fix it, we need to fix the white balance. Because I'm shooting with Magic Lantern RAW, I can fix it in post. Here we go. Much better. For the rim light or hair light, I'm gonna be using another Philips 35 watt LED lights to the opposite side of the key light. Next, I'm going to put this reflector to bounce a little bit light from the key light so it can help fill the shadow a little bit, as you can see right here. Yep. So there you have it. This is what you can get with a relatively cheap gears if you know how to use it. So we have come from looking like this to looking like this. And yeah, let's add some color grading to it.
Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you find it helpful, and if you do, please consider to subscribe to my channel. So as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.